Okay guys, so I've just come back from my morning walk. This is one of the things that you need to do. Is either you do it in first thing in the morning, which I think is the best time because that's when your body is still in a faster state and you're still burning fat, you're still burning calories. Try to incorporate some kind of exercise. You need to try and move your body, whether it's going for an outdoor walk. Outdoor walk, I feel like it gives you time to reflect on things, think about your life, listen to music. It just kind of distresses you, and also the sunlight as well helps your mood and everything. So I would definitely recommend outdoor walking for anyone that is trying to lose weight. Walking helps you to burn fat. Walking helps you to burn belly fat. It's not just walking on a slow pace, you guys. You need to do brisk walking, walking as fast as you can. But a boy must move, and you go have fun. See, it started you need to do some kind of exercise. Walking is low impact, so anyone can do it, no matter what age you are, no matter how big or how small you are, whatever size you are, you can do walking. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. I walked for 1 hour 26 minutes. The distance is 7.44 kilometer, and I burned a total of 478 calories. So in terms of how many steps I did, so I did 10,090 steps. Okay, I aim to do that every single day. If you're not used to walking, start small, aim for 2,000, then every day or every week, depending on your strength, you can increase it up to 10,000. But I try to make sure I walk at least 10,000 steps a day. Now just get that out of the way, get on with the rest of the day. I'm just going to take a shower and I'm going to make this powerful drink as well that would suppress my appetite. I would let you guys know the next stage of what you need to do. So guys, this is my powerful drink, my powerful morning drink that I drink every morning. This is a game changer. I've shared this with you in my previous video. I'll link the video up here. This drink would help you so much with weight loss, with fat loss, with belly fat. It helps to suppress your appetite, as in it makes you not to be hungry, you guys, and that's what we need. We don't want to be hungry, so you reduce on eating too much, you reduce on the snacking, you reduce on eating food generally. Okay, so with this drink I hardly feel hungry. If you're that kind of person that's always hungry when you first wake up in the morning, take this drink. You find that you don't want to eat breakfast. You find that you have your first meal later on in the day. This will boost your metabolism, you guys. This will give you energy as well. It's not just curbing your appetite, it's also going to give you energy. So this is what I definitely recommend for you guys, all right, because I'm here to help you lose weight as well. All right, I'll definitely recommend for you guys to do it. It's natural remedy that you can do easily at home, okay, or anywhere you are. All right, so I'm just gonna let this cool down because it's still very hot. So guys, you need to start with weighing yourself. You need to find out how much you weigh and write it down. All right, so that's the first thing to do, right? And then you go for your walk, your morning walk or your morning exercise, whatever you choose to do. All right, which I've done my exercise and I've burnt almost 500 calories already. Okay, then when you've done that, you guys, you move on to having a drink. This concoction, this drink will definitely help you. All right, and then when you've done that, you guys, I need you guys to go to an online calculator. I normally use calculator.net. What you need to do, just put in your details, how much you weigh, your height, your age and everything. So this would now calculate how much calories you need to eat in the day, how much calories you need to eat in the day to lose certain weight. So it's got your maintenance calories, it's got your mild calories, it's got like moderate. It just gives you how many different calories you need to maintain, you need to eat to lose certain amount of weight every week. You choose the one that is suitable for you. It's very, very important to know how much calories you need to eat for the day to be able to lose weight. All right, so my next tip on how you can lose weight and lose belly fat is to drink water. The first thing I did when I first wake up is to drink a glass of water. Before I have my first meal, I'm going to drink loads of water, and I'm going to drink loads of water throughout the day. Water helps you lose weight, it helps you keep you full, it helps flush out all the toxins. It's really good to load yourself up with loads of water. I would definitely say minimum of 2 liters of water a day. For a lot of us, we don't drink water. We drink a lot of fizzy drinks, a lot of soda, a lot of sugar and juices and everything. We don't need that. We need to cut that off, as in completely off. What you need to do is to drink water. All right, so drink your water. What helps me a lot to make sure I drink at least 2 liters of water is this is more than 2 liters, a little over 2 liters of water. Gives me the time. It's actually got some motivational quotes like, good morning, hydrate yourself, remember your goal, keep chucking, feeling awesome, don't give up, almost finished, you did it. I love this bottle. I just grabbed this from the store, and it's not very expensive. I think it's actually got the price marked on it. It's still got the price marked on it. It's like $12.99. Yeah, so this actually helps me to stay motivated, committed, and focused, and also it helps me monitor the amount of water I've taken in the day. All right, so if I finish this, definitely I've drank at least 2 liters of water for the day. Okay, the next one, you guys, is obviously the most important one, which is the food that you eat. Basically, the food that you eat is I would definitely say it's like 90%, not even 80% of your weight loss. Okay, the rest that you do is just 10%. all right, the water we've talked about, this concussion that we've talked about, everything else is to aid the weight loss. But the main thing that you need to actually focus on is your food. What you put in your mouth is what that matters. Even the exercise is something that, everything else is basically 10%, and your food that you eat is 90% of your weight loss. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know all this, because a lot of people out there don't know what to do, so I'm trying to help you guys out here, try to explain it and break it down for you to understand, because I read a lot of things in my comments, and it's really difficult to explain to people. They ask you, how can I lose weight? How do I lose weight? I don't know what to do. Yeah, so that's the reason why I decided to do this video. So bear with me and try and focus and listen to the rest of this video. Okay, right, so guys, I've spoken about this in my previous video. You guys, you need to do some kind of fasting when it comes to food. Okay, you need to fast. You need to do some fasting. There's a lot of different fasting method out there. If you really want to lose that weight and lose it for good, is to do a 20-hour fasting. Okay, 20-hour time specific fasting. I spoke about this in my other video. Okay, we need to fast for 20 hours and eat within a 4 hours window. That's how it works. Okay, and 20 hours is time specific. I've given a time for you to eat at 1 p.m. So you eat your first meal at 1 p.m. then you eat your second meal at 4 p.m. and then you start to fast at 5 p.m. right? Then you fast up to the next day, and then you eat your first meal the next day at 1 p.m. So that's how it works. If you can do that, you guys, it's not only that you're going to lose weight, right? Also, you're going to be in ketosis, which is a fat burning mode. And then you're also going to be in autophagy, which autophagy also helps to repair your cells. All those dead cells in your body, it starts to repair your cells. So ketosis, autophagy, you're burning fat, and also you're repairing your cells. What more do you want, you guys? If you get your body into this routine of doing the 20 hours fasting and eating within a 4-hour window, guys, the sky is your limit. You wouldn't have to worry about your weight loss. The fat, the weight will drop just like that. The next stage, guys, is something I came across listening to social media as usual. I've came across a strategy on social media that will also help you guys to lose weight, to lose belly fat, to feel full, to feel satiated when you finish eating, to avoid your blood sugar from spiking. When it spikes, that's when you eat. That's when you're hungry. That's when you want to binge on food. Okay, so this strategy, this method would actually help you. Okay, let me let you guys watch this video.
You can reduce the glucose spike of your meal by up to 75% by just changing the order of the foods in it, which means fewer cravings, less inflammation, less inching towards diabetes, etc. The correct order is vegetables first, proteins and fats second, and starches and sugars last. And the main reason this is so effective is because fiber, when it arrives first in your digestive system, fiber deploys itself onto the wall of your upper intestine, forming a protective, gooey mesh that stays there for a few hours. That mesh then prevents your body from absorbing too much glucose too quickly from any of the food coming down afterwards.
So what do you think, guys? What do you think? Since I've started doing this method, this strategy of eating, guys, I can tell you that it works. You would think that eating in that order would help you feel full. It will help avoid spiking up your blood sugar by 70%. Do you know what that is? Adopting that style of eating has really helped me. I don't feel tired. You know, when you finish eating, you're like tired, you're lazy. I don't feel tired. I don't feel lazy. I feel satiated. I feel full. I feel satisfied. Sometimes when I finish eating, I still feel like, oh, I need to eat more. I need to eat this. I need something sweet. I need something this. With that, I did not feel that way. It's trying to adopt that strategy, that method of eating in your regular routine. Okay, that would really also help you.
We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing.
Okay guys, so this is the order. Okay, so we have our vegetable first, next is our protein, next is our carbs, and then lastly is our dessert. Guys, all these we have to eat one after the other, not everything in one place. Your vegetable doesn't have to be boring, you guys. This is so delicious. I'm gonna put the recipe on the screen, so please take a screenshot on how to make this vegetable. These vegetables are less than 100 calories, okay? And my protein, I have chosen salmon. Salmon is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acid. I've graded salmon and it's just 200 calories. Okay, next is my carbs. Sweet potato is a healthy carbs to have, and the medium-sized potato is just 100 calories, you guys. And then lastly is my dessert. I've chosen a low-fat yogurt, okay, with raspberry and chia seeds, all right, and this is just 111 calories, guys. All this is just a little bit over 500 calories. This is a very good meal idea for you guys, okay, to help you lose weight. Okay, it's going to keep you full and satiated for a long time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I provided value. If I did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, give me a like, and also share my videos to people that you think might need it. Okay, until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.